Today's story is about a storm at sea, a missing radio, and a court decision that changed how businesses think about safety. The year was 1932. Along the Atlantic coast, tugboats pulled barges loaded with valuable cargo. One of those tugboats was called the T.J. Hooper. At the time, radio technology was becoming more common. Some tugboats carried radio receivers that could pick up weather forecasts and storm warnings. But many tugboats still operated without them. The owners of the T.J. Hooper chose not to install radios on their vessels. One day, the tugboat set out while towing barges along the coast. Unknown to the crews, weather reports had warned of a powerful storm approaching. Tugboats equipped with radios could have received the warning and taken shelter. But the T.J. Hooper had no radio. The storm struck. The barges were battered by rough seas and eventually lost. The cargo owners suffered significant losses and filed a lawsuit. Welcome to Once Upon a Case, because the law isn't just for lawyers, it's for everyone. The tugboat owners argued that they should not be held responsible. After all, they claimed, most tugboats at the time did not carry radios. They were simply following the industry's common practice. The case eventually reached the United States Court of Appeals for the Second Circuit. The court faced an important question. If an entire industry follows a certain practice, does that automatically make the practice reasonable? Judge Learned Hand said no. He explained that industry custom is evidence of what is reasonable, but it is not the final answer. Sometimes, an entire industry can fall behind. Just because most companies do something does not mean it is safe or prudent. The court ruled that the tugboat owners were negligent for failing to equip their vessels with radios that could have warned them about the storm. The lesson from the T.J. Hooper still influences courts today. Businesses cannot always defend themselves by saying, "Everyone else was doing it." Sometimes reasonable care requires more than simply following the crowd. And that's the story of the T.J. Hooper. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this story, watch this case next.